if her son or daughter, I try to paint a picture scenario, maybe they're a teenager and they're approached by ICE agents, they react pretty much the way that you'd mentioned earlier, do you think?
So, you know, being a kid, I know how unsettled, unnerved,
Mm,
and even for adults, like I mentioned, it's
right.
always unnerving to be approached by law enforcement. And that's natural. That's to be expected, honestly. The officers are trained for that. Um, so I would advise that mom and that child, hey, you're in this situation. ICE, there's the probability that you could be stopped, questioned. Um, just be as prepared as possible. I would definitely, hopefully, have things in order for the child, whether they're here legally or illegally. If you're here legally, have proper ID in place, remain calm, be respectful, um, show the identification or whatever it is that you may have to prove that you're here as a legal citizen, and have that at the ready. If you're here illegally, um, then I definitely would have some type of legal representation on at the ready, but still remain calm, follow the orders, and follow the process.
And there's a common theme throughout everything you've said. Parents don't escalate. So share share that with your kids. Like don't escalate. And that's gotta be hard because anytime you have a spotlight on you for anything, your anxiety raises, and along with your anxiety comes other emotions. And
Yeah.
then if you escalate yourself, then you could end up really getting yourself into worse trouble eventually.